Why we need to take bus?
So we can go to bird paradise.
Because we park at the Mandai Zoo car park.
Why we park here?
Because the bird paradise car park is full.
Where are we, Dada? Cash.
You can survive with it.
Two stops in bird paradise. Thank you.
Now we're going to watch a show, right? Wings of the World. Very hot, right? See, sweat a lot already.
Hello everyone! Welcome! Liman Hao, Selamat datang! My name is Wani and I'm your guide, and today we will be discovering birds from all over the world. But before that, everyone meet Wai. Hello everyone! What's on the coast? So keep your eyes right over there. Here comes Mariah Lambo! Hello there. So the coastline there, they have a very sharp and pointy bill. You want to see more? Yes, one more. Okay, just look around. Let's see what over there. Wani. Yes. More. Crazy one. Okay, here comes Katie. Hello there. So Katie here is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Katie. Hi, Katie. Katie is able to introduce himself. So they want to tell everyone here, what's your name? Oh, let's try this one more time. What's your name? Amigo it is. Ready? They are hopping up and down branches in the forest. Okay, Wani, your turn to share. Oh, yeah, songs. Oh. Now on wheels.
What you buy yourself?
Thank you.
Mama. Thank you. What you buy? Yeah, I call daddy buy ticket, huh?
Come here, then mommy will buy this for you.
You want to go surrounding? Over there? Just see, Let them fly. No,
Mommy got sand.
Yeah, you want to play a sand?
Oh, the forest is this one. It's another net area.
Dada.
Then on top there, they also have.
Oh, 你看那个手头还。
Here is inside the net.
Look like they eat popcorn.
They have a soul soup with the bird. Like soul soup.
Maybe found something.
Hey, Baba. Hey,
Why?
you can see it so near. You can see this is a big giant net, you know. Capture all the birds inside, so you can have a close look at water like that. And this one is one very rare bird, you know.
Oh, this one ah.
Going extinct soon already.
So can touch or not this one?
Okay, this one can touch.
Can touch this bird. It's a rare bird, right? Very big bird.
No, this is an insect.
It's a real baboon.
Not further and further. It's the same place. No lah.
Yeah, this bird look like eating some.
Really ah.
Like some.
Oh, they got the bean bao.
One skinny and one fat.
This one now one skinny and one fat. This is a fruit from One Piece. If you eat right, you got power one.
Sure.
You want try?
Yeah, become rubber band.
Yeah, but the first you gonna fry first. Oh, it is fruit. It's not the One Piece one. Pew, pew.
Right, it's all the way already. Under to the main already. So
Now you are here. Ta-da! It's a bird. Yeah. Huh?
look like goose.
Really meh?
It's green. Mommy, it's green.
Gachapon. What's that?
Go go.
It's the stung.
Palm.
Skunk ah? You want?
Oh, you're not a penguin.
Chị đến lấy, chị đến.
No, I'm not a penguin. I'm not strong. I am a penguin.
Daddy đấy, daddy.
This time you'll get more penguin.
Tẹt, 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 tẹt.
I got penguin.
Okay, let people give.
I don't get any penguin left.
Bought a panda bao. And this one panda bao.
I got penguin.
Penguin bao. Yeah. And the penguin cake. And the soft cream.
What's the drink?
Coke. Dada don't like her. Why must it be his backside?
No, I say your daughter, your face in outdoor and the penguin player are different. Outside, her face is like that.
Then,
And once reach here,
how much?
$39.
$30.
Morning, midday, and evening.
Let's go.
And then we have to carry our eggs everywhere. Our eggs, but to leave our eggs in there.
Oh, just done.
Now, collect any 3 colors of the egg plus 1 purple egg.
Okay, so the both of you need to get 3 different color eggs and 1 purple egg. Okay? You can choose your bag. Yeah, you can choose the level 2. You need to find. You need to find your egg.
Here. Where?
Stop.
One more?
3 different color eggs and 1 purple. I think that's
Okay. Then how to collect the egg now?
You need to find it.
Really? No more. Oh, you got one.
He stole mine.
Wow, red color.
So I'll put inside the bag so I won't lost it. I need one more and 1 purple.
Okay.
This is different shade of yellow.
This different color of yellow, see? It's different.
We need to find purple.
Show mommy. Got one red.
It still looks pink to me.
It's still the same one.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a pink, right?
Yeah, Jessie?
That means this one purple, lor.
Hello?
No lah, I think got more purple lah.
Take it rather than miss it, right?
Purple! You take purple already? Yeah, now we can go back already.
Queue up for your price.
Okay, so you all sort out the eggs according to the colors first. Okay, right, so
And this is your room.
What you get? Oh, the chocolate.
You can put it inside the bag.
Now put inside the bag. What you get?
I don't know.
With the down outside. Like that.
You record the one that's inside the screen. Then you can see. Watch the video, you tell the difference.
Come back to the station too. Ada aircon. What for the adventure trail?
Yeah, we love the egg.
Oh, so nice.
like this. It was like this, huh? Yeah.
Over there.
The Kinder Joy thing is for you to count one.
Oh,
And we didn't count.
Oh, daddy lah, daddy lah.
For you to count one.
Ta-da. The one nice, oh.
We are completing the challenge.
Stick off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more to scan.
Go that way.
Enjoy the bird paradise, yeah?
Walking forever, no.
No, actually it's quite good experience because all along the bird park, right, it's like you see the bird inside the cage.
How many steps?
But now you see, they try to let you without the cage and see the bird. You will have close contact with the bird.
Then how many steps?
I find that it's good.
How many steps?
Except it's hot.
How many steps?
But good thing they have an aircon in between so that you can enjoy the aircon to chill. If not, I think no aircon, all people suffer.
How many steps?
How many steps? Today I walked almost 11,500 steps.
Only lah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.